damn jump.
It's like I definitely don't deserve nothing special.
Something's been fucking looking over you and saying, that's the fucking truth. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Yeah, I know, I didn't know, I get it. But it's just something inside of me knows it. Just knows it. Start up. Down here.
I can barely hear you. It sounds like you're whispering into the mic. Did you get your first group of flyers ready? Julian?
So, we got flyers.
Hell yeah.
Like, question is, we got north wind, we'll keep the zippers closed. I wonder how long it's going to stay north like this. I hope it changes. Dusty, dude. Dusty, rusty. 10-4 then. 10-4 on that. Dusty and rusty.
Fucked up, man.
I think it all goes this way. Oh no. Come on, man, give me a second to set up this shit, guys. Dang, ring thing, there it is. Alright, we got it. She'll go up. She will go up. There's red. There's red. Okay, man, let it rip. Alright, hold them steady and just kind of ease them out slowly.
It looks like yo.
Pretty good.
Y'all go ahead and climb on board. Once y'all get on board, head up to the front, have a seat on the cushions.
Come on up, come on.
You can wait for that. Just come on.
All of that. We're gonna get on the boat, get nice and safe, have a seat. Really good. And go under that rope right there. Go sit next to your friend over there.
They about to pull up right now? They about to pull up?
No, we're gonna fly these and then we'll grab them.
I'll take that ticket now.
On you by any chance.
Hey.
Thanks, sir.
All right, when I lay this harness down, you're gonna put your feet over the strap into the 2 hoops on the bottom. When I say stand up, you're gonna grab this pole right here and you're gonna stand up. Good. 2 hoops. Go ahead and stand up. Sit back down. Vest up for me. All right, go ahead and grab this stand up. Y'all slide on down. Just slide on down, and you can sit back down. Over the strap. 2 hoops.
Right here?
Right there. Now stand up. All right, sit back down.
She rolled the she couldn't stand.
Pull your vest up.
Best of
No, you're not your vest. All right, next. All right. Over the strap. 2 hoops. Go ahead, stand up. Sit back down. All right, you sitting. Come on back. You're gonna stand behind the blue right here.
Blue?
Yes, sir. You're gonna stand behind the red right here. You're gonna. You need to put it under the seat because they'll fly away.
That shit's crazy, dude.
When y'all hold on to your strap harnesses right here. And when y'all dip into the water, just let your feet dangle. Don't bring them up in front of you because they'll pull you under the water.
So you grab one of these?
Yeah.
Correct.
What?
All right, y'all can go ahead and sit down.
Mom, Dad, you should shop Amazon for back to school and save some money. See, I'm currently obsessed with superheroes.
Under your thighs. Your thighs, right where it's at, that's fine. But it makes everything feel weird.
Yeah, it just, that, oh, yeah. What the fuck is going on? That is so fucking aggravating. Man, it's taking like forever.
Y'all stand up on your feet. Stand up on your feet.
Stand up!
Stand. All right, I'm gonna cut y'all loose. Y'all head up to the front, take your harnesses off. I need to get a phone number from one of y'all for them pictures.
Okay.
All right, y'all can go ahead.
Still coming in slow.
We can take our harnesses off.
Yeah,
see?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.